welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Blue Willow on Discord. This is very simple. You need to just follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, you need to go to the Discord application. Then you can see a search button. Go to the search button and search for hashtag general. Okay, these will lead you to generate your server. Then click the 3-line button from the top left corner. Okay, so you can see that right now you are on the particular server of yourself. So now click on the blue willow icon. Okay, so click on the rook key. Again click on the blue willow icon. Here it is. Now click add to servers. Okay, select your server. Here it is. Click continue. Click authorize. Click confirm. You have to wait a bit. Now click go to your server. Okay, now you have to just write /imagine. Okay, we can see a suggested blue willow prompt. Click on it. Now write anything you want. A cat eating a burger. Click send. You have to wait a bit. Now you can see that 4 images has been generated as the cat eating a burger. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.